Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set content alignment to left, right or center in Avada theme in WordPress. So this is our text. So we are going to change text alignment or position. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So by default, content or text is left align. Now we are going to make it center or right side. Now go to edit page. So this is our text and then you see element option. So click on it. So we are in text block. Now you see alignment left, center, right, justify. Now select right and then click on save and then click on update. Now page updated done. Go to test page and refresh the page. Now you see text align right position in Avada theme. Now back to page again. Again click on edit element. So we are in general. Now you see text block. So you can make or show text center, justify. So it's up to you. And then you see desktop. Now go to mobile. So you can set alignment position for mobile layout also. Now go to tablet. So you can set alignment left, center, right, justify for tablet. So you can do setting according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.